Good morning. First official full day in Jamaica. Let me show y'all the view I woke up to. Nice. The islands and the waves crashing down. Yeah. Beautiful vibes. And the breeze will blow. Yeah. Look at the water. It's so blue. Yeah. Yeah. Blue water. Beautiful.
We're gonna pick this.
Yeah.
Try that stall there. See how the stall?
Yeah, on this area.
Yeah.
Do something sales.
Yeah.
So if it,
Eh?
so if you need an herb, you have to tell him from now because he can't give back the stick in the
The next day.